In this video, in a couple minutes, I'm going to share with you how to remove front seats on Toyota Echo, Toyota Yaris. Let's get started. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Very appreciated that. Welcome to PistonShack YouTube channel. And as you can see, my interior is pretty filthy. That's dirty. I got this car as my project car. We put a new clutch, done quite a bit of work. Let's get this car shiny clean again. Okay, I popped my hood, and because we have an airbag seat sensor, we have to disconnect the battery. We're only going to disconnect the negative battery terminal. I'm using 10mm socket. Yeah. Otherwise, you will set airbag light, and after you disconnect the negative terminal, let's wait for 3-5 minutes for all capacitors to discharge. Alright, I have more interesting video about a Toyota Echo, how to do clutch, and way more videos are coming. Check it out. And this is a nice project car. Alright, we're using 14mm socket to remove seat bracket bolts, and only 4 of them, 2 on the front and 2 at the back. As a demonstration, I only will do the driver's seat, and passenger side seat is exactly the same. Guys, if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. And yeah, Toyota Echo, Yaris, they're very popular nowadays. Okay, slide the seat forward. Popular for their fuel economy and simplicity. Minimalistic vehicle. Okay, let's remove the last 14mm bolt. As you can see, that bolt is on a side to the exhaust pipe tunnel. Alright, and now we have all 4 bolts removed. Just let's put them in a cup holder, make sure we won't miss them. Okay, let's tilt our seat forward, and now we can pull it up and get access to the airbag sensor. Disconnect the airbag connector. Just as you can see, there's a plastic tub. Just push that in, press it in, and pull it out. Don't pull the wires, just pull the plastic white connector. Okay, as I said, passenger seat is exactly the same way, and I removed it out, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty, but now I can pick all that garbage, clean it, vacuum it, disinfect, and as you can see, I removed the central console as all filthy, as even dead dry leeches there. Alright guys, clean up is first. Okay, here we go. Beautiful, clean, fresh, sparkling, nice, like new again. Feels really good about it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I very appreciated your time. Take care and see you soon.